Okay, this video is going to be about some Ryobi stuff. Yes, Ryobi. The tool brand that everybody loves to hate, right? So anyway, let's get into it. Alright, as you can see, it's the 3/8 extended reach ratchet. Up to 55 foot-pounds, so they say. Yeah, you see that right there? That's a pretty neat option. We'll get into that when we get the box open. Just wanted to show you the box. Alright, next up we have basically the same thing, but 1/4" drive. 40 foot-pounds. So anyway, let me get these packages opened, or these boxes open, and show you how they look. Okay, I got the boxes open. Hope the light up there is not bothering you too bad. Anyway, here it is. Now a lot of people complain about this, the way the batteries are. Let's see, I got two batteries here. This is a small, I don't know, 1.3, the way the batteries go in. Then you have all this battery sticking down instead of the sliding on, like, what was that, the cobalt and whatnot. But there's a feature that, because everybody says that'll get in the way when you're trying to get down close to something, because that sticks down a lot more than the head. I'll show you something in just a minute. Also, it has a lock right there on it. Excuse me, that you can lock the trigger and it won't depress. That's pretty cool. And you don't have no little flip lever there like some die grinders have. I wasn't sure how I was going to like this trigger, but it's pretty good. I like it so far. I mean, that, you know, I haven't even put a battery in it yet, so there that is. Well, let's do that. Let's check it out. Sounds kind of weird. We'll see. But let me see. Hopefully I can catch this. Oh, it's got a light on it too. I didn't know that. Two lights. If you need to turn it, but you know, if you need to be in somewhere like this, because that battery sticks down too far, when you turn it, guess what? It turns this way. Well, with this deal here, you can turn this. You see that? You see it turn? Now it's sticking up. Now it's down. See? Holding it the way it is. It's going that way. Now it's going the right way. Thought that was pretty cool. Let me try to get the camera and I'll show you what I'm talking about. See, like if you need to get, hold on. If you need to get down on that bolt right there, where's it go? Right there. It's gonna be kind of hard when you see how much of an angle that is because of the battery. All you gotta do, hold on, sorry. All you gotta do is turn it to where the battery's like that. And then it'll get down on there and lay flat, see? You can turn it to where the battery's not in the way, so that's a good feature. It does It does sound kind of weird, but maybe it'll sound different once it's broke in. Now they say up to 55 foot-pounds. That's yet to be seen. So let me get the camera turned back around. Hold on. All right, that's the 3/8. Here's the quarter. Now this one says up to 40 foot-pounds. I got a bigger battery on this one. This is a 4 amp hour. And the trigger's locked. That definitely sounds weird, but now this one's the same way. You pull up on this little, see that? You pull up on that and it turns. You can even turn it that way where it's totally backwards. I thought that was a pretty good feature of these. That's the main reason I got them. I didn't have any cordless ratchets, and I wanted some, so figured I would try these out. Just wanted to show you the new tools I got. I'm going to try to rig something up to where I can test them to see how close to that 55 foot-pounds they actually come to. Well, 55 for that one and 40 for the 1/4 inch. The other way around. Anyway, now the 3/8 by itself with no battery, take the battery out, is usually $169. Okay. Don't know if that's a good price or not. I don't really care. I'm just saying that's the normal price of the 3/8. Now, the 1/4 inch, I'm wanting to say $149, but I think there was actually $159. They're like $10 cheaper than the 3/8 one. But $149 or $159 is what this one was. Bare tool, the 1/4 inch. Okay. I've been seeing them on sale. You get both of them for $199. Now, if you heard what I just said a minute ago, the 3/8 is usually $169. So for $30 more, you get the 1/4 inch one for pretty much for $30, right? They have them on sale now. You get both of them for $189. So you technically get, you pay $169 for the 3/8 and you get the 1/4 inch for $20. Can't beat that. I couldn't pass it up, so I had to get them. But I'm gonna try to rig up something where I can test them, and of course I'm gonna use them and let you know how they are. Anyway, hope you like this video. Just wanted to show you some new tools. I know it's one of them brands that everybody loves to hate, but they work. Anyway, like always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.